Realme C3 launch in India next week, specifications and everything else we know so far. Realme C3 is all set to join the Chinese smartphone makers' Realme C series of smartphones in India. This lineup caters to the entry-level consumers and brings a decent set of specifications that are claimed to provide good experience. Both of the existing Realme C series phones have found a place in one or the other of our best phones lists over the last year. Even right now, Realme C2 is one of the best options that we recommend buying under 7,000 rupees. Realme C3 launch date. Realme has announced that it will be launching the Realme C3 in the country on February 6. The company is hosting a press event in New Delhi that will kick off at 12:30 p.m. on the day. The company will likely be live streaming it on social media channels as well as YouTube. As always, we will be present at the launch event to bring you all the information. Realme C3 price in India. Given we are still days away from the Realme C3 launch, the company hasn't given a hint about the pricing, though it is certain to be an entry-level smartphone like its predecessors. To recall, Realme C1 was priced at Rs. 6,999, whereas Realme C2 got a price tag of 5,999 rupees for the 2GB RAM variant and 7,999 rupees for the 3GB RAM variant. The Realme C3 pricing should also be in this range. In terms of the sales channels, Flipkart is already teasing the smartphone, so it will be one of the e-retailers to carry the phone. Also, we know Realme sells all of its phones through its own website, so we can expect to see Realme C3 there as well. Lastly, as Realme has just started offering 5 of its phones via Amazon in India, the e-retail giant could also offer the Realme C3, but there is no confirmation on that. Additionally, Realme will also retail the upcoming phone via its offline partners. Realme C3 specifications. Realme has already announced a number of Realme C3 specifications, so we won't have to wait until February 6 to get an idea of what to expect from the smartphone. As per the teaser page of Flipkart, the phone will feature a 6.5-inch display with a waterdrop style notch and Corning Gorilla Glass protection. The phone is going to have 89.8% screen-to-body ratio. Among other specifications, Realme C3 will pack octa-core MediaTek Helio G70 SoC, paired with 3GB and 4GB RAM options. The phone is also said to be carrying a 5,000 mAh battery and up to 64GB of onboard storage. On the imaging front, there is going to be a dual camera setup on the back with a 12-megapixel main shooter and an LED flash. The front camera details aren't clear at the moment. We also don't know the Android version and whether the phone will carry the company's Realme UI. We will keep updating this page as more details are revealed. So, in case you are interested in the phone, be sure to bookmark it for quick access. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.